Here's the refurbish of the shift cover of the brake. There's 2 bolts there, screws, and 1 bolt here on each side, and inside of it there's one under this mat. And when you take it off, there's 2 bolts here, screws I mean. Pop that off, pull it from the back. You might be able to do it without removing the whole thing, but there's a clip on the back here you have to push that way, but you'll probably just break it because you can't see what you're doing. So I would just take the whole thing off and you should flip it upside down. You can see it in there. There's that bolt around there. And you can just take this off and wash it and scrape all the flaky shit off it, and it will look pretty nice after this. Way better than the flaky, falling apart state it was in before. And you just have to glue it back on with, I don't know, some flexible glue or something. That's what I used. Hopefully it works. Let it dry and put it back together. If you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more JZX content.